We are back at the garage here at Spring Mountain, and our new Boxo final pieces came in. So right now we are just taking off the back paneling that we had on the back of our setup, the OSM Boxo setup. And obviously, as you can just saw it comes right off. So what you'll do is you just lift this off, or if you want to have more pegboard stuff, you can leave that on. But we're going to put uppers here, so that just slides right off. And then to put on this new panel. So here we have the upper cabinet that we're going to be putting where that panel came off. And this is so easy to do, you guys. So basically, you've got the hardware, and then you just put this in slightly. You put this in slightly so that there's a place for it to hang. And then when you lift up the cabinet, you'll see it just goes right onto those. And then you add the additional bottom two, and that's how it secures. So check this out. Just like that. Boom. So now we're just gonna add the secondary hardware on the bottom, and it's gonna match these other uppers. So this is such a clean look. And then next up, we have our side cabinets that we're gonna put in, which will complete the look. And I'm so excited. This is really gonna turn out great, and I can't wait to show you guys, so let's get those cabinets put in too. All right, one step closer. We've got the tall cabinets on the outside here, and we're just figuring out how we're going to be fastening them. So not sure yet if they're just freestanding. It looks like they might bolt to the upper cabinet, so Anthony's checking it out, and I'll let you guys know. So this is one of our two end caps, or I keep calling them end caps, but it's like a cabinet. One I want to use for storing like all our racing gear, suits, shoes, underwear, maybe even some helmets if we can fit them in. But we plan to have these fit perfectly on both the left and the right side, which should look pretty good. Kind of finish the wall space and utilize what little space we have in here to have some really awesome storage. So should be pretty awesome. Okay, so yeah, it looks like there are a couple holes. Hopefully you guys can see them. Oh, there we go. There's a hole there. And then there's another one down here. So those will just fasten. That way it's connected to the upper. And then obviously same thing for the other side. So we're gonna get this all bolted up, and we'll give you guys the final view of what it looks like with it all in place. Ultimately, this was super easy to do. Two people makes it really simple. Everything is pretty lightweight, but the bigger cabinets definitely helps to have an extra hand, especially if you're working in a low space, kind of like our garage is. I think it's 7 or 8 feet tall. So I'm so excited for this setup. Thank you, Boxo. Super stoked. We're gonna get these shelves filled, the drawers filled, and we'll give you guys that overall look when we're done. Ta-da! Totally finished. Here's the final product. I am so happy with the fit and finish of the Boxo OSM modular toolbox system. It's so helpful, and in our space, we really needed to be efficient in every square inch that we have here. So let me turn this camera around and show you guys what we got. Here's the final product of our Boxo OSM modular storage system. As you guys can tell, we have made this fit perfectly in our space. We've got 3 uppers, 2 tall cabinets, 2 short lower cabinets, and then the 7-drawer Boxo toolbox with the master tool set. This is gonna be so awesome. We are here at Spring Mountain, and this is our garage. So perfect for easy repairs, stuff to maintain the car at the track. This workbench is so nice. It's super solid and hard, scratch resistant surface, super nice. Then obviously we have the back pegboard type storage, so we'll see what we can get creative with that and see how we can utilize that space too. But we've got the uppers with shocks, so that's nice, easy open, nice close. And then here is where I plan to store all my driver gear. And the other side, we've outlined with shelves. So, excited to get a lot of this stuff stored on here. And I'll show you guys this lower cabinet as well. Oh, we actually have stuff in this one, obviously. Boom. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this, be sure to check out boxousa.com. Use code GUR to get a discount and get your garage looking real good.